everyone, today I have a Walmart haul and a Tractor Supply haul. They're both very short, but I thought I would share it anyway. This is from yesterday. I'm going to start with Walmart. The first thing is this Christmas 3D displayable card by American Greetings. And the one I got, it looks like this. I got this for somebody. Then I got some extra fine glitter and neon green for a Christmas craft and card that Liam's gonna make. And I also got some green glitter by Go Create, and it says it's easy to use. So I got both of those glitters. I also got some green paint by Apple Barrel and Kelly Green. And I also got some red paint, Flag Red by Apple Barrel. So these are acrylic paints and the quick drying. I got some paintbrushes. Says best for washes, soft comfort grip for superior control and comfort by Folk Art. We got these stickers. I thought it'd be cute to add to a Christmas craft. Liam got this holiday star to make an ornament. He's gonna make it for somebody, and it has a hanger on it, twine. And the last thing from Walmart that we got was a pack of bananas. So that was it for Walmart. Now I'm gonna jump to Tractor Supply. We got one thing from there, and it's this Dine, and this is what we add to our dog's food. It has vitamins, the high calorie liquid supplement, and we just pour it on their food, and it has all of this in it. So let me know if any of you have tried this for your dog and how they like it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.